Hello everyone, welcome to IS Vikrant. I hope you guys' preparation is going well. Hardly 75 days are left. So, in this short span of time, you need smart study. लेकिन कैसे करें ये स्मार्ट स्टडी? देखो, मैंने बहुत सालों से देखता आ रहा हूँ जो लोग अच्छे से प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस का एनालाइज करते हैं, देखो वही लोग प्रीलिम्स निकाल रहे हैं. जो लोग पीवाईक्यूज ढंग से सॉल्व नहीं कर रहे हैं वो लोग अभी भी यहाँ ये ओल्ड राजेंद्र नगर या मुखर्जी नगर या जीटीबी नगर में 5-6 साल से यही है. ये प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस एनालाइज करने का भी एक तरीका है. आप लोगों को ये पूरा पीवाईक्यूज एनालिसिस दिखाता हूं, बट वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड. If you closely observe the recent trend in UPSC prelims, the theme या topic is same, but the way of asking a question has changed. कैसे थीम सेम है? यहां देखो, ये 2023 प्रीलिम्स का क्वेश्चन है, in which souls are not only the property of animal and plant life, but also of rocks, running water and many other natural objects not looked on as living by other religious sects. लेकिन ये स्टेटमेंट पहले भी पूछ चुका है. यहाँ 2018 CAPF का क्वेश्चन ऑन ये जैनिज्म का ऊपर क्वेश्चन देखो, in which the first statement is the most important idea in Jainism is that the entire world is animated, even stones, rocks and water have life. Here animated means living being which has a soul. देखो, यूपीएससी ने सीधा ये स्टेटमेंट उठाया और ये 2023 का प्रीलिम्स का क्वेश्चन बना दिया. ये सारे पीवाईक्यूज मेरा लास्ट ईयर कोर्स का ये स्क्रीनशॉट्स है. अगर आप लोग ये 2 या 3 पेजेस का पीवाईक्यूज पढ़ लिया होता था, then this question you would have tackled very easily. And this is the not the only one question that was a repeated statement from PYQs. I will show you number of questions in this video. Again, I am requesting you guys, if you want to qualify in prelims 2024, then must read these important core themes. Please don't neglect. From these themes only, again you can expect a guaranteed question in prelims 2024 also. I know the importance of this Jainism theme. That's why last year I framed a expected question on Jainism. Even though my question is on Lord Mahavir, in explanation I have covered the every aspect of Jain philosophy. Like from eternity, every living being has soul. ये soul का philosophy ये Jainism का ही है. Next. Last year, UPSC has asked these 2 questions on ports. The question is with reference to ancient South India. This Korkai, Pumpuhar and Muchiri were well known as. देखो, ऐसे टर्म्स देखते ही बहुत सारा बच्चे एग्जाम सेंटर में घबरा जाते हैं. लेकिन आप लोग एक बार ये पोर्ट थीम का ऊपर पीवाईक्यूज एनालाइज किया होता तो आप लोगों को डरने का बिल्कुल जरूरत भी नहीं है. यहां ये CDS2 2021 का क्वेश्चन देखो, इन विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वाज एन इंपॉर्टेंट पांड्या पोर्ट. ये ऑप्शंस भी देखो, मुचिरी, कोरकई, पुहार और पुंपुहार एंड अरिकेमेडो. ऑल दीज आर पोर्ट सिटीज. ये ऑप्शन से ही यूपीएससी ने सीधा 2023 का प्रीलिम्स का क्वेश्चन बना दिया. और ये कामराजार पोर्ट, मुंद्रा पोर्ट एंड विशाखापट्टनम पोर्ट, ये हर पोर्ट्स का ऊपर हर साल सवाल आ ही रहे हैं. एंड फ्यू ऑफ माय पेड सब्सक्राइबर्स स्टिल दे हैव डाउट्स एंड सेइंग कि ब्रो देयर इज मच ऑफ एंट्रोपी बिकॉज ऑफ दोस CDS एंड NDA क्वेश्चन. देखो, यहां पे कोई डिसऑर्डर या एंट्रोपी नहीं है. ऑन एवरी थीम वी सेग्रीगेटेड ऑल द PYQs topic wise of all the exam which are conducted by UPSC, like this CSE, CAPF and NDA and CDS also. And I told him ये CDS and CAPF का एग्जाम्स का PYQs are must. आप लोगों को अभी दिखाऊं how UPSC is repeating from these PYQs. That's why most of my paid subscribers are loving this approach, and few are saying these PYQ based future predictions are more natural and core of UPSC. अगर आप लोगों का पास ये सारे सब्जेक्ट्स का थीम बेस्ड या टॉपिक वाइज पीवाईक्यूज अवेलेबल है, देन इट विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट टू क्लियर योर अपकमिंग प्रीलिम्स 2024. If you don't have also, don't worry, you can join our daily 10 theme based most expected questions course 2024. Here we are providing 1000 theme based or topic based most expected questions on both static and current affairs. See, these two questions on president's election in the last year prelims, which was expected because 2022 में इंडियन प्रेसिडेंशियल इलेक्शन हुआ था, द्रौपदी मुर्मू ने इलेक्ट हुई थी, and number of times this issue was in news. That's why I predicted a question on this president election as a theme in the month of March, just 2 months before our prelims exam. In this presidential question, see here, the first statement is about electoral college in the presidential election. From this previous year questions only, I will show you how UPSC is repeating this statement almost every year. Previously, this electoral college question was asked in this CDS 1 2023. Here electoral college, again in UPSC CGS 2023, this electoral college, again in CDS 2 2023, again in CDS 1 2022, again in CDS 1 no, again in this electoral college question in CAPF 2021, and again in this CDS 2 2017, and in CAPF 2014. This is also an electoral college question. देखो कितना बार रिपीट हो रहा है. एंड दिस रिमेनिंग स्टेटमेंट ऑन वैल्यू ऑफ वोट ऑफ ईच एमएलए, दिस वैल्यू ऑफ वोट ऑफ ईच एमएलए क्वेश्चन which was asked in CSE 2018. यहाँ देखो, दिस वैल्यू ऑफ वोट ऑफ ईच एमएलए वेरीज फ्रॉम स्टेट टू स्टेट, ये भी रिपीटेड है. आई होप माई एनालिसिस इज मेकिंग सेंस. यूपीएससी ने कहीं नहीं जा रहा है, घुमा फिरा कर ये क्वेश्चंस प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन से पूछ रहा है. And this question is on monetary policy. This is a core area of UPSC. That's why I expected 2 questions on this monetary policy in the month of March. And ये screenshots का चैनल लिंक है ना, मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हूं. You can check these dates from there only. In this question, central banks are controlling price rise. It means inflation. And how it controlling? By using contractionary or expansionary monetary policy tools. And ये same statement IMA blog में भी दिया हुआ है. यहाँ देखो, this central banks hike interest rates in sync to tame inflation pressure. और ये कॉन्सेप्ट यूपीएससी ने लगभग हर साल पूछ रहा है. नेक्स्ट, एंड दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑन स्वदेशी मूवमेंट. आई नो दिस इज अगेन ए इंपॉर्टेंट कोर थीम ऑफ यूपीएससी. दैट्स व्हाई लास्ट ईयर आई प्रेडिक्टेड ए क्वेश्चन ऑन स्वदेशी मूवमेंट ऑन March 20. यहाँ देखो, दिस क्वेश्चन इज एंड माई क्वेश्चन you can see here, my question is not exactly same like UPSC 2023 question. Of course, how come it may be same? I am not a board member. But in explanation, I have mentioned the fact that on 7th August 1905, this Swadeshi movement was launched, and this 1905 fact was mentioned in many previous year questions itself. यहाँ देखो, this Swadeshi movement in 1905, this 1905 again in this in many in here also. Okay, again, this Vijayanagara theme is important. From previous year question only, you can tackle this 2023 prelims is very easily. See, during the Vijayanagara Empire rule, most of the development happened around the this Krishna and Tungabhadra rivers. This Vijayanagara ruler, this Devaraya one, he constructed a dam across the Tungabhadra river. Next question is, UPSC has asked this marsupial topics twice in the year 2001, again in CFF 2022. And last year it was an expected question because it was in the news in various articles like this Science Direct and Indian Express and The Hindu. इसका एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन मैं वो चैनल में दिया हूं. देखो, हमारा स्ट्रेटेजी भी यही है. ये ये टॉपिक प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन में भी रहना है और एंड दिस टॉपिक करंट इश्यू में भी रहना है. With this logic and rationality, we are predicting the most expected question for prelims 2024. Next, this question is on Constitution Day, and we expected this question on 26th Feb. यहाँ देखो, मैंने पूछा था, it was celebrated on every year on 26th January. ये wrong है, but it's celebrated on 26th November every year. I have mentioned in this explanation. Next question is, these two questions, ये दो questions था ये green hydrogen का ऊपर, and this topic is also expected thing because last year it was in the news. That's why I predicted a most expected question on this green hydrogen on 27th February. ये green hydrogen का question है. Next, this groundwater का question, it's every time is an important theme. You can check my last year video also. Time and again I clearly said it is a expected topic, don't neglect. And UPSC has asked these 5 questions on environmental this pollution theme last year. I explained in my previous video. So thank you guys for watching this video.